Alright, kababayan, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung sino saan man kayo nanonood. And like to greet out all of the viewers from South Korea, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Japan, and especially the Philippines. And this is PSEi Recap, no? Chart Quick Sessions, and going to review or let us put it on a watch list yung mga position na will be relevant for next week. But before we do any of those review or recap, let us share the word. Our word comes from Matthew chapter 19, verse 19. And it reads something like this: Honor your father and your mother, and you shall love your neighbor as yourself. No? First time I read this, uh, I do not think, sabi ko bakit pa kinakailangan isulat yan, hindi ba dapat automatic yan? But as you mature and as you see yung mga realities ng buhay, there are some people that really do not respect their mother or fathers and they disregard them. So, that is a fact. Merong mga tao talagang ganyan. And sa ating neighborhood, di ba, kung sino pa yung mga katabi natin or malalapit sa atin, yung pa yung karaniwan nating hindi nakakasundo. Or sa workplace naman, kung sino yung ka-team member mo, no? Dalawa na nga lang kayo sa team, nag-aaway pa kayo. No? I've seen this many times. And usually, no, sa mga OFW din naman, kung sino pa yung mga Pinoy, siya pa yung mga nag-aaway-away at hindi nagkakasundo. Right? So, God really stresses this out. No? He made a space sa kanyang book, itong reminder na to. So, we really do have to abide and understand that how really important this is. No? And let this be a reminder to all of us, no, to abide with this instruction. No? And alam naman natin kung okay yung kapitbahay natin, okay tayo sa parents natin, eventually, yung buhay natin as a whole will be much, much more better. That is a fact. And at this point in time, you might be wondering why I am sharing word, no? Or di ba dapat puro trading lang tayo or mga charts na pag-uusapan natin? Guys, I'm telling you, if you have lived long enough, no, you see many things sa buhay na hindi lang puro pera yung importante. I don't know who you are, probably your 20s, 30s, ibang-iba yung perspective mo niyan. You're very materialistic and probably puro pera lang pinag-iisip mo. But as you see yung mga realities in life, you will experience so many heartbreaks and mga problems. Dito mo maintindihan na we really do not need, no, so much money. And what is important is we understand and we abide with His words, no. So I'll continually endorse to you to read the Bible. There are so many wisdoms and instruction na nandito that you might be probably missing out. Right? That is our verse for this week, and let us now proceed, no, for our PSEi Recap rules, no. So paulit-ulit every week, sir, bakit mo ba sinisingit itong PSEi Recap rules? So really do understand that there will be new subscribers, new viewers every week, and they probably do not have encountered etong mga trading rules, no. And let's have a quick recap, no. Number 1, take responsibility of your trades, right? Until you get to a point na hindi ka na maninisi, no, ng ibang tao, hypers or basher or mga guru news. Na-reach mo yung point na this is my style, this is my trading, this is my viewpoint. If I lost, I'll take responsibility. And if I win, I'll take responsibility. Until you don't get up to that point, mahihirapan ka sa market. You'll continually experience losses, no, and drawdowns. and frustration especially. And protect your capital, no? If you have been diligent enough to cut your losses, to consolidate your funds, and you were able to ride yung volatility upwards ng ginawa ng mga telco stocks today, you probably even in a profit zone right now. So yun ang kagandahan ng protecting your capital. You're able to enter yung mga big trades or yung mga home run trades na kung tawagin natin. Alright? Yun ang kahalagahan. So lagi mong tatandaan yan. And number 3, keep in mind that trading is all about probabilities, no? So, nakita nyo kung ano yung nangyari sa Vulcan, right? Even me, I understand na parang there's something sa Vulcan, no? But nung Tuesday, bigla siyang nag-gap down, no? One big move pababa. And yun ang sinasabi ko, no? One big player na would like to exit at any price, kukunin niya yan, no? Almost mag-flooring yung presyo niya. But good thing, medyo nag-bounce ng konti, and let's see kung ano yung magiging price action sa Vulcan. So, naintindihan nyo na ngayon na these are the 3 rules, non-technical, na nakatulong sa akin. No? Very, very helpful. I was able to survive yung mga drawdowns na malalaki and yung mga knockout punches ng market. Yun naman yung dito. You have to be on the defensive side of things. Right? That is our PSEi Recap rules. Alright, let's now proceed sa mga position na probably we should be on our watch list or dapat natin tinitingnan. No? Again, whatever you will hear dito sa chart quick session, you have to take it with a grain of salt, and final decision should rest upon yourself. Alright? Alright, we have yung chart ng ATN Holdings, and no, last July it made the surge, no, almost doubling yung kanyang price. But at this point in time, due to the negative sentiment, nag-consolidate siya at around 1.2 area. No? So recent formation ng candle na to, if we would like to review, this is a very, very noisy chart. No? You might want to watch and observe muna. And for me, I want to see this settle muna at around 1.3. Okay? So for me, I would not even touch this trade at this moment in time kasi napakagulo ng formation ng candle siya rito. And even yung volume, this would not be enough, no? Para magkaroon ng upward momentum. Right? So for next week, I'd like to see this ATN Holdings consolidate at around 1.3, 1.25 area, and para makaipon ng lakas to challenge etong area na to, which is a 1.5 area, and then yung all-time high niya na 1.6 something. No? And again, our stance for ATN Holdings is you have to wait and observe muna. So yun ang pinagkaiba ng mga professional at yung mga retailers. No? Professional, they would not enter kung probability or magulo yung market or magulo yung signals. No? They would not enter. No? Kahit naman gaano kaganda yung sinasabi ng iba. No? So again, ATN Holdings medyo noisy and hindi pa to sigurado. No? Itong ATN Holdings, you might want to check and observe if that will consolidate at around 1.3. And we want to see small candles and tight closes for we to consider itong ATN Holdings. Again, that's our take for ATN. Let's now proceed sa ating next chart. So again, quick advice lang sa mga bago, no? Very, very simple lang yung aking chart reading, no? I don't get too complicated, and matagal ko na namang naintindihan yan na you just have to stick to your style, and wala yan kung gaano ka-komplikado or kung gaano ka-hirap yung chart mo. Very simple lang yung chart ko. And usually mga default settings lang to kasi nung natuto naman ako dito sa chart trading, very organic lang. No? What makes sense to me, yun ang fina-follow ko. Kapag sobrang hirap, I leave it out to the mga geniuses, no, na market. So doon lang ako sa easy trade, no, yung low-lying fruit, yun lang yung kinukuha ko. Madadaling trade, madadaling intindihin. Those complicated trades, give it to the genius. Doon tayo sa mga simple lang. Right? Now, corporation, we have a very, very good volume around here sa reversal. And I really do hope you would able to get this, no? And eto, nahuli ko rin to, itong reversal na to on the second day, etong Friday. But I was able to get out very quickly, no? Again, ito yung tinatawag natin na overreaction, no? During the announcement of the third telco last Wednesday, bumaba siya, no? Halos mag flooring din yung kanyang presyo. But look at this, no? Very, very considerable tail and volume, yung downtick na tinatawag. And then next day, nag-confirm. So ganun din kalaki yung volume, pansinin nyo. Halos na sa 30M plus. And that is good enough for me, no? And I really do understand na ito yung mga trade na gustong-gusto ko, no? And the next day, alam ko during the news na magkakaroon ng conference yung kanilang CEO, which is pinlano ko na I'm going to hold it until tanghali lang, and I'm going to get what I get, no, during the surge in the morning. And I was able to execute and profit with the gain, no? For next week, this will still be relevant, but it only applies sa mga intraday moves, no? So sa mga bago, wag nyo muna pasukin tong now, kasi look at this, yung uptick considerable na yan. So ibig sabihin, it will probably go down, no? Very, very, it would not reach yung all-time low niya, but it would probably going to consolidate, no, at around this area, no? Probably siguro mga 2.70, 2.8. And kung medyo bago-bago ka, iwasan nyo muna to, leave it to those experienced traders, yung makakapag-obserba sa intraday, no? Again, sa Monday, probably pwede pa tong laruin intraday, pwede pa tumaas to. That is the third day of the rally, but leave it to those players na makakapaglaro ng intraday. Alright? 1, 2, and sa Monday, possible may continuation pa to. But during Monday closing, probably many would take profit and baka doon ka maipit, no? So leave it this trade sa mga intraday, and sa mga experienced players, you have to put this now sa inyong watch list. Again, this was an exaggerated reaction ng tao. So that is emotions. That is people cutting their losses at any price, no? Yun yung inaabangan natin, no? Although there was an announcement na panalo na yung ISM, we were able to capitalize yung overreaction ng market. Right? Right, next sa ating chart, tong Tags Harbor. Nasa watchlist na rin naman natin to nung nakaraan pa. And this is clearly the bottom, no? Accompanied by the big volume at this area. So alam na natin na ito na yung pinaka-bottom niya. And this was confirmed by the higher lows na nangyari at around this area. And then it flagged, no? One of the big and powerful patterns, itong flag, no? Yung baga, yung movement niya is sideways na, horizontal lang. The longer, the better, no? So kung mas mahaba yung consolidation niya at a horizontal level, mas malaki yung iakyat niya, no? So yun yung general rule and tip doon. And with this big volume, no, sinabayan yung ISM, they're going to try to ride the momentum nung pagiging bullish ng market. Probably yung buyback instruction at that time nung Wednesday is sabayan mo yung ISM, no? So again, okay, that was the instruction I think na binigay sa broker who was tasked to do the buyback instructions, was to push, no, kasabay ng ISM nung Wednesday. So again, this is an institutional move, no? Kita mo, napakalaki ng volume. And again, ano yung gagawin natin dito? With the current formation ng candles, it's showing weakness, and we would want to check and see if how it would react at around 3 or 3.1 area. That is the very good possible entries, no, around this area na to. And let's try to see if this would translate as support, no. It was able to break tong resistance na to, and let us try to see if 3 or 3.05 yung makikita natin na possible support na pwede tayo mag-entry. Again, ito yung mga chart na sinasabi ko sa inyo na would be relevant for next week or the coming weeks, no. And ako kasi dati, nung nag-uumpisa ako, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga bibiling ko or titignan kong chart. So ito, samantalahin nyo itong mga videos na to. Kasi it took me a while, no, para ko malaman kung ano yung mga stocks na dapat kong tingnan and dapat kong lagay sa watchlist, no. Kasi it's very very difficult, no. Nung nag-uumpisa ako, ang aking source of stock na lalaruin is yung broker ko, no. Turns out, even na nauna ka sa morning na bumili, eventually lagi akong talo. So ngayon sabi ko, nako, itong broker ko pala is hindi magandang source ng mga ipi-play kasi usually huli ka na, no. You are at the last buyer, and then yung mga tropa nilang institution is binibentahan ka na naman nila. So again, if you are hearing or getting some insight, no, dito sa videos na to, like you to like or subscribe, no, sa ating channel kasi weekly naman natin itong ginagawa. It's either Friday or Saturday, no, itong ating mga chart quick session. Right, let's now proceed again. IMI, very very hard maneuver na gagawin to. Don't catch a falling knife. But then again, ito yung mga position or mga plays na napakadali din naman na pasukin, especially for end of day traders, no. Very very big volume at this area, but very critical would be Monday and Tuesday if we would see yung knee-jerk reaction na katulad ng ginawa ng now, no. Very simple reversal, ODR, one day reversal, and let's try to see if this would have a big volume, ganito rin kataas, 5M din mahigit, I'm in, no. Or makita natin yung candle would have a very very big downtick movement, no. Kahit kalahati yung volume, pwede na natin din pasukin. Again, IMI was not able to deliver yung kanyang mga financial reports. They're considering it to be very expensive at this moment, and etong trade na to para sa mga bago and hindi makababantayan agad yung position, do not trade this kasi very volatile siya at this moment in time, no. Leave it to those experienced traders, no, na would be able to watch this, no, itong IMI. Again, Monday or Tuesday would be very very critical para sa ating IMI, no. This is a very very good reversal play na nakikita natin na nagpo-form, no. So ako personally hindi muna ako pumasok. I'd like to see that overreaction ng either retailers or institution, no. And again, that is our take for IMI, no. Sayang kasi last 2017 this was one of the stocks, no, na talagang I was able to ride and get profit, no, IMI. And let's now proceed sa ating isa pa na very hot right now, yung Chelsea Logistics. Up to the last minute, no, 11th hour, we are finally seeing bakit nagkaroon ng candle na to. This is insider buying, no. And kaya pala hindi na bumaba. I was trying to see if this would pull back, hindi na bumaba. And up to the last hour, in-announce na CLC would be the one who is going to be doing the third telco business under the mothership of ISM, no. So it was excitement of the crowd, gap up, no. Next day gap up, but since this is in a very very deep position, no, marami yung natakot nag-take profit, and ngayon is hanging in the balance, no. So again, sa mga new traders, you don't want to put your position here at this moment. Huwag ka munang bibili. Ang inaabangan natin dito is if it would touch etong 6, no, considerable support etong 6. kasi nga napaka-volatile nito at this moment in time. But sa mga intraday at mababantayan ng kanilang position, again, itong CLC, this would not touch this area again. Yung mga naipit dito, you might want to lessen yung position mo. Again, ideal would be, ang consideration would be around 750 area. No? Dito sa area na to, 750. Or kung talagang magkaroon ng pagbagsak ng PSEi, damay yan. Baka dito na ang consolidation ng 6 area. Again, sa mga hindi pa nakapasok, yun yung mga possible support or entry positions na and this would probably consolidate at this moment in time. Kinakailangan ng consideration ito kasi most of the institutions and mga professional nakapagbenta na po rito. Yan. Yung long uptick na yan, sila po yung mga nagbebenta niyan. And they are able to monitor yung stock for the whole day. So, they are able to anticipate that this would top on Thursday. Same thing goes sa ISM. Thursday din nag-top. And hopefully, you were able to catch this. Itong Chelsea. Again, let's now proceed sa ating isa pang one of the stocks, leaders in momentum, siguro past 2 weeks, but nadamay, Again, this candle coincides sa Wednesday, which is the announcement, or yung mga opening of the bids, and currently it's hitting at support right now, So tataas na ba ulit ito to its current 52-week high? I would love to say yes, but the answer is no. So this would consolidate, probably give it at least 1 or 2 weeks before something good or something upward movement na mangyayari dito abacor. Unless yung Q3 report would be really, really good and this would negate itong candle formation. So yun lang yung panabla or yung good card ng abacor, Itong good Q3 reports, Again, if you are going to accumulate, maganda din naman tong area na to start accumulating itong abacor, But if your momentum, you might want to see this consolidate muna. Again, that is our take for abacor. This would go on sideways movement at this moment in time. And unless yung Q3 reports would be really, really good, medyo I think this would take a considerable time bago niya ma-invalidate itong formation ng candles na to. Right? Again, that's our take for abacor. Let's now proceed sa ating last stock na re-reviewhan. This is IRC Properties. Magulo. But looking at it, at a bigger picture, again, if it does not close below 2.20, I would not be worried. And again, Thursday, confirm na naman yung support. Look at this candle. And look at this candle. Every time it goes, yung 2.1, someone is buying. They're willing buyers at those area. Again, same thing as abacor, hinila siya ng telco stock event, So, but good thing is, nandoon yung support. There's support. There are buyers, willing buyers sa area na yan. And again, if you have not yet got entry dito sa IRC, you might want to observe and see or enter dun sa area na yun, nabanggit ko at around or below 2.20. Again, bigger picture, this would probably trend sideways at this moment. Nawala ng momentum etong IRC, but still good. Very good, unless we see another round of what I call this. Again, big picture uptrend. Yung 220, confirm naman yung support. Itong candle na to, same thing as dito. And with this dito, maganda yung supportan niya ron. But unless makakita tayo ng another round of disclosures na another foreign funding or local partners na bibili sa stock na to, kasi consortium din yung gagawin nila sama-sama sila sa pagbuo ng subway, and malaking pera yung kinakailangan, no? It's a very complex project, and it's the first time in the Philippines. And sa mga may hawak ng IRC, chill lang kayo, no? Unless we see yung breakdown at around 2.20, I would not be worried dito sa IRC. Again, that is our take for IRC. And guys, if you have gained something, no, insight, or you just want watch this, no, for every week, this is the channel for you. And again, everything as I say dito would probably would come true or probably would not, no? Again, the rest of the decision should lie upon yourself, and in under no way, shape, or form gagawin mo yung trading decision mo just only watching this channel, no? Again, maraming salamat sa panonood. This is PSEi Recap. Let's try to see kung ano yung mangyayari for next week's trading. Thank you for viewing.